Step number 10, this is our see it feature. This is really cool stuff because when you're shopping for a patio cover, you visually want to see what this patio cover is going to look like. And that's why we created the designer, is to kind of, instead of looking at a color swap and trying to imagine it, this feature right here, you can actually take the patio cover and put it on the house. So let's go through that. So one, you can upload a photo. You can put your photo on your phone on the background, or your computer on the background of this. Instead of the grass and sky, it could be your house. So you can see the cover itself being represented on your house. That's a picture. The next tab is take a screenshot. A lot of people like to share with their loved ones what this might look like. You might want to text it, so you can take a screenshot that will most likely save to your phone or your desktop. To get into the really cool stuff, we have augmented and immersive reality. So what this basically does is, once you've designed your patio cover, you can see the patio cover on the back of your house in real time. Super cool stuff. This is for phone usage, not for your desktop. So pay attention to those. You can really show off and shine the patio cover on your house in real time. As we scroll down, let's say you uploaded a photo and you want to go back to the default patio cover, you would just click on that button, okay? Really, really neat stuff. Again, want to see how it's built? We have use your X-ray vision. What that basically does is it kind of gives you that X-ray vision. You can see all the nuts, screws, bolts, and it's being represented accurately. So see, if you have a bunch of screws right here, that's how it's going to be constructed once you go to build your kit. Let's click off of that and turn on the exploded view. The exploded view is taking the patio cover and just exploding it into all the different components. So you can, again, see how all these are going to come together. The what shows, that's just a feature for you to turn on the house, show footings, not show footings, depending what you want to visually see when you go to share this with your loved ones visually. So we'll see you in the next one.